Alright, so here's the thing. Can you turn any radio, especially your job site radio, into a Bluetooth radio? Even if it doesn't have it, can you do it? And can you do it for cheap? Well, this is what we're going to find out in the video today. So here's the deal. A couple weeks ago, Home Depot had a sale on the Milwaukee M18 radio. And what I didn't know was it didn't have Bluetooth. So I was kind of bummed out when I got it. But then I was left a comment in my comment section on this video. And it basically told me to go out and try one of these fancy Bluetooth digital whatevers. So I bought it. So I'm going to read the comment for you. This is from Carter Hall. And he says, there are BT receivers in today's world. Why not buy one of those, plug it into the aux slot, and you're set for Bluetooth? Okay, well, we're going to try it. Alright, so this is something like what Carter's talking about. It's a wireless receiver that goes into the aux cable on your radio. Now, of course, the aux is basically where you plug your phone in. So I'm just going to take that cord out. Now, if you don't have an aux input on your radio, I think it's time for an upgrade, friend. Now, to be honest with you, I've never heard of these before. Yeah, I guess I'm old school until Carter mentioned it. So I paid about $16 on Amazon for this model here. There's other models, but I'll put a link in the description below for you to check this out. All right, so what exactly do you get with this? Well, let's open it up here. And we're going to pull that box out like so. It's actually very small, which is nice to see. I was thinking maybe it was going to be this bigger, longer thing, but it's not. So we're just going to open this up here. And that looks like the receiver itself. So again, pretty small. Then you have an aux cable. Oh, you have, this is cool, you have a couple different adapters here just in case it does not fit. And then you have the plug. So this is going to take some juice. It's not a C cable, it's just your regular cable. I think it's an A cable. That's probably going to go into here. This is going to go into your USB slot, which most radios have. And well, this should be pretty simple. Then we'll just pair it up. So let's try that. Alright, so the aux cable that I already have that came with the radio fits this already. And we're just going to plug that in like so. This side right here, you have an on and off button. You also have a volume, a plus and negative. That's what I'm assuming that is. And then this must be your play or whatever. We'll figure it out. My oh my, that's a pretty nice size instruction book for such a little device. Oy. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my cable, I believe it's an A cable, correct me if I am wrong. We're going to take this and put it in like so. And then we're just going to plug it into the USB port right here, and that will give it the power. Now over here is your on button. We'll flip that on like so. No lights or anything. Oh, yep, there are some lights here. Not sure if you can see them. They're kicking on. That's real nice like. Alright, some good news for you here. If you don't have a USB, this can actually be charged. So you can plug it into your computer or a wall outlet, charge that up, and then all you would need is the aux cable. You wouldn't even need the USB on your radio. So that's good news if you don't have one, which you should. Alright, now what I also learned was you can actually pause or skip your music using this button right here. So that's what that button does. You got the light ring going around telling you it's on, but I want to know if I can run it with my phone. Now, as you can see, I have many Bluetooth devices hooked up to my phone, but this one here is a new one, so I'm guessing that's it, the BH298. Let's pair it up. Alright, there you go. It's completely connected. Let's see if it works. So I'm assuming that I'm going to have to go to the aux. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to go to mode. AM, FM, aux, right there. So that's what I want. And the moment of truth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download something off of the YouTube studio library or audio library. I'm going to see if it plays through the radio, and I want to know if it sounds good as well. So let's go some rock music. Ah, it works! It works. and I think this would work in your car, this would work in your truck, this would work in anything that has an aux. Again, you don't even need the USB, because that right there is just charging this, and once it's charged, you can use it until it dies. But if you have a USB, well, that's even a bigger plus. But here's the thing, you can use this anywhere, not just on your job site radios, but in your vehicles and everything. It's so cool. So very happy that I found this, and again, thank you, Carter. It's just awesome. All right, so there you go, guys. This little device, like I said, 15, 16 bucks that Carter, yes, I'm giving you a shout out, brother, because you helped me, and I'm hoping this video helps other people. $16 for this little device. Got this $100 radio playing Bluetooth when it never did before, and it sounds great. You just can't beat it. So thank you. Now, if you guys have any cool products that you want me to bring to the channel that you know about and could possibly help other people make their lives a little bit easier, let me know and I'll get them on the channel. Now, if this video has helped you in any sort of way, if you could smash that like button, it would be greatly appreciated. If you like cool stuff like this, get subscribed and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any new videos coming your way. Love to hear your feedback in the comment section, so make sure you leave one. With that, we'll be back with more videos soon.